AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about AUDUSD, and before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share the video and do all of that. And if you want my weekly setups with the swing entries, the trades which I personally take every week or interested into, then you can check out my swingly setups here. Click the first link below the video, check it out, and you can join the membership if you want to, okay? Because in these videos I will do the analysis, but again the exact entries, take profit and everything is not something fixed, because whenever the market moves you have to adjust yourself accordingly, okay? So your TP will get adjusted, as well as stop loss, stuff like that, okay? So if you want my live signals, go and click on the first link below, check this out. And coming back to the chart here, starting the analysis with the weekly time frame. Weekly, what we got? We have okay, so we are in the uptrend weekly, but we are getting rejections. So you can see we have longer wicks, small body or no body, so we are going down, okay? I guess in the long run we might go here, but that's too far. For now, in weekly we are getting rejections, so I don't see any gas, okay? So coming back to daily time frame, daily is again here rejections coming from, and this is your rejection. You see, this was your call liquidity hunt, okay? So this candle which you see with the wick here, this is your bearish hammer. This was your liquidity grab, so all the stop losses had been taken here, and we are safe to go down, okay? So we're looking for shorts. Coming back to 4-hour, in 4-hour you can see here the trend has started, okay? So this is your trend which has started. Now we are consolidating to give you the breakout, okay? Breakout will more likely come towards the downside, and if you want more confirmation, you can put your line here. This is your last swing low. If next 4-hour candle breaks my line which I have drawn right now, if the bearish candle breaks below this line, that's your confirmation that entered short after the pullback, okay? Anyways, that's cool enough for me. So what I like is the daily time frame, because when you see something like liquidity grab, my eyes lit up, okay? You see liquidity grab here happen, and then we went down. The liquidity grab here happened and we went down, okay? So my bet is the EMA is the TP. So if you're going down, look for the TP until the EMA. And again, the concept is this liquidity grab here, liquidity grab here, liquidity grab here. We have to go down, okay? And in 4-hour as well, I told you, if you want more confirmation, then wait for this swing low to break by the bearish candle and then pull back and then go down. That's it. If you want precise entries and my weekly analysis and swing setups with numbers, then check out the first link below. Subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you in my next video. So then take care.